Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of natural language processing. Stick around to learn how machines are acquiring one of the most uniquely human skills, language. Machines are now making unprecedented progress in analyzing, understanding, and generating human language. This emerging capability is called natural language processing, or NLP. Language is deeply rooted in our humanity. But for machines, interpreting the nuances of human speech and text requires immense computational power. NLP combines linguistics, computer science, and cutting-edge machine learning to enable real-world applications like virtual assistants, sentiment analysis, and language translation. The origins of NLP date back to the 1950s when researchers began experimenting with automatic translation programs. One landmark study converted over 60 Russian sentences into English using simple pattern matching techniques. In the 1960s and 70s, rule-based approaches were common in NLP. Researchers tried to manually codify all the linguistic rules needed for machine understanding. But this proved challenging for complex language. A shift began in the 1980s with the rise of statistical and machine learning techniques. Rather than relying on rules alone, systems could now learn from large volumes of example text and speech data. This allowed them to automatically discover statistical patterns about language. Machine learning ignited new optimism about conquering natural language AI. But performance was still limited compared to humans. A major breakthrough came in 2011 with IBM's Watson computer that competed on Jeopardy! Watson demonstrated how natural language processing could quickly parse questions and find answers in its database. This paved the way for the rise of deep learning in NLP. Deep neural networks now power most state-of-the-art NLP models. Recurrent neural networks like LSTMs were an early breakthrough, useful for processing sequential data like text. More recently, attention-based transformer models like Google's BERT and OpenAI's GPT-3 have been especially game-changing. Leveraging massive datasets and computational power, transformers have achieved unprecedented natural language abilities. For example, GPT-3 can generate remarkably human-like text, while BERT greatly advanced performance on question answering and language translation. Facebook's Meta AI team is now developing a new model called Llama with trillions of parameters. This push for scale aims to improve common sense reasoning and multitasking abilities in AI. Multimodal learning will likely be key to the future progress of NLP. Combining language understanding with vision, speech, and real-world knowledge will allow more well-rounded analysis of language context and meaning. Just as humans learn language while observing the world around us, there are still challenges ahead. Language ambiguity, bias in data, and limitations of current benchmarks make achieving human-level performance difficult. But the NLP revolution is bringing us closer to natural dialogue between humans and machines. NLP powers many common technologies we interact with every day, everything from virtual assistants like Alexa to Google Translate. But to truly perceive meaning in language, machines need to understand context, grammar, word associations, and all those subtle intricacies that come instinctively to us as humans. Modern NLP leverages a toolbox of techniques including 1. Machine learning algorithms like neural networks that can extract patterns from massive datasets. 2. Syntax analysis to parse sentence structure. 3. Sentiment analysis to gauge emotional tone. 4. Speech recognition to convert spoken audio to text. 5. Machine translation to automatically translate between languages. Combined together, these techniques enable practical applications while advancing towards human-level language AI. So while conversational language comes instinctively to us, for machines it remains a vast technical challenge. But as researchers continue to advance NLP capabilities, science fiction visions of conversational AI may soon become reality. The quest for true machine understanding of our rich and nuanced human languages continues. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what AI topics you want covered next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes on the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.